In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about e-commerce software TCO. Obviously, there are many factors that go into the TCO model. We have the location you operate, the initial cost of the implementation counting internal and external labor, hosting and subscription fees, the monthly costs for upkeep, enhancements, and continuous improvements, as well as the accuracy and availability of your MDM. As more and more software companies move to the cloud, with what from the outside buyer's perspective can look attractive and capable of meeting your needs, the reality is sometimes different. In the past years, I have implemented in a former life most software applications in Gartner's Magic Quadrant and have first-hand experience seeing where they are successful and where the maturity and feature set is inadequate, which brings me to one of the most misunderstood areas of TCO, in my opinion. How much does it cost to extend the product when the standard feature set doesn't cut it? I call it the extension framework or the extensibility architecture. As new commerce platforms were creating SaaS products or moving the monolith to the cloud, there were and still are restrictions on how you can customize the application. With other products, I was seeing 20% of project requirements built outside the commerce platform, either because the API wasn't mature enough or the product simply could not handle complex B2B scenarios. And this drove implementation costs higher than expected. It turned buyers into software development houses and not into software as a service users. For some, this level of expertise was just not available and led to project delays, overruns, and unhappy CFO. Another area of the hidden costs was the internal staffing and preparation for the implementations. Examples are companies with large catalogs going online with poor MDM backend data, when they should have focused on a PIM implementation before exposing poor data to their existing customer base. So, in summary, if you want to drive down the TCO of your commerce initiatives, here are a few pointers to help not to fall into the common pitfalls of immature organizations and the vaporware sold by crafty salespeople. Firstly, build on a solid data foundation. Select a technology stack that has the ability to train developers fast to weed you off the expensive professional services costs. Use a partner that is focused on enablement, training, and knowledge transfer. Secondly, hire the right staff ahead of the project and ensure co-development and configuration. Take the time to document well for the new staff members to ramp up fast. The third point is to select a commerce software stack that can handle extensibility within the application and apply the right governance structure to your project that is in line with your methodology and capabilities whilst embracing an agile structure to the best of your ability. Afterwards, embrace A/B split testing with rigor and always make decisions based on the core commerce KPI with the right analytics to guide the way. So, this is it. Thank you and see you in our next episode.